Hello everybody, and welcome to Ancient Architects. Please subscribe now to get the latest ancient history news and independent research from around the world. Hundreds of gold coins have been discovered during renovations of an ancient Hindu temple in southern India. The 505 gold coins were found inside a sealed bronze pot, 7 feet below the ground surface, and they weigh a whopping 1.7 kilograms. The pot was located by workers at the Jambukeswarar Temple in Tamil Nadu near the Akhilandeshwari Shrine, and they are now being examined by archaeologists to determine their age and history. The temple is considered to be more than 1,800 years old, and it often needs renovations, repairs and upgrades. The discovery was made when temple management decided to clear vegetation in a certain area to develop a new flower garden, only to find the bronze pot filled to the rim with gold. The majority of the coins are small, but one of them is large. When the workers realised the importance of the discovery, the police were called in and they are now being kept safe. The coins display symbols, decoration and reports say Arabic script, so therefore they should be datable, with some already speculating that they may date back to between 1000 and 1200 AD. The temple has received many donations over time, with various precious offerings of silver and gold, and this pot of gold coins is likely to be one such donation. The temple was the brainchild of Chola chieftain Kochenganan, meaning Prince with Red Eyes. It is located on Srirangam Island, at the point where the Kaveri River splits into two. This is known as India's Temple Island because of the abundance of religious sites, and the temple in question is truly a majestic complex with beautiful courts, towers and ponds. The Chola established a powerful kingdom in the south of India, centred on the modern state of Tamil Nadu, and they are associated with a golden age in Tamil culture. As stated on ancientorigins.net, their political and cultural influence spread as far as Southeast Asia, the so-called Indianized kingdoms. The Chola dynasty were a great naval power, and they conquered parts of Sri Lanka and the Maldives, and they traded extensively with neighbouring countries. Some speculate that the coins were obtained from Arab merchants who visited Chola ports around 1000 years ago. But why were they buried 7 feet underground? Well, they could be a donation or offering to the temple, or it could be that they were purposefully buried to keep them safe from attackers and raiders, and their location could have been forgotten, or the person that buried them later died. The temple was attacked by Muslim raiders in the 13th and 14th centuries, and it was also sacked by the warlord Ulugh Khan. As stated, archaeologists are currently examining the coins, and whether they will go on display in a museum or return to the temple is unknown at this stage. Being a sacred site for Hinduism, it is not a huge surprise to find such an amazing discovery, and there could well be many more secrets hidden below ground. Thank you very much for watching this news update from Ancient Architects. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, please like the video, and please leave a comment below. Thank you very much.